In this video I'm replacing the cabin air filter on a 2012 Ford Focus. The cabin air filter is on the passenger side underneath of this cover. You just have to remove these two clips and then the cover comes right off. Then I had to remove this screw that holds the plastic cover to the housing where the air filter goes. And then just pinch the tabs on the cover and it should come right out. Then I removed the old filter. There's not a whole lot of room to work in here, so you do have to kind of mash the filter up to get it out. We've had this vehicle for 7 years now, and to my knowledge this is the first time we've replaced the cabin air filter, so it was pretty dirty. The replacement filter is just one from Amazon. I'll leave a link to the one I got in the description. And you can see the effects here of what I can only describe as driving through Floridian funk for the past 7 years. Then I went ahead and installed the new filter. Just make sure that the airflow arrow is pointing towards the back of the car. Getting the new filter installed is the hardest part. Again, it's just a really cramped space and there's not a lot of places to put your hands or to move the filter around, so you just kind of have to fight with it for a little while. But eventually I did get the new filter in place. Then I just put the plastic cover back on the housing and put the screw back in place. And then I put the first cover back on along with the two clips to hold it in place, and that's all there is to it. Alright, that's it for this video. Hit like if it was helpful, and thanks for watching.